Hi everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be repotting 9 Chinese evergreen. I'm going to get some pots, bigger pots, and we're going to see if we can put 3 or 4 in each pot. These really need repotting real bad. And let's go out to the porch and I'll meet you out there. Okay, we're out here in the porch now and there's 8, not 9. So I got this all set up. And I got this light here because it's not that bright in here in the porch. If you wanted to take a look at this, I'll put a link below. It also holds your phone here, so you can do your videos hands-free. Okay, I'll be back once I set up my camera. Okay, let's get started with these. How you can usually tell if these need repotted or not. You can take a look at the root system. It's pretty massive here. And if you have to water it way too much, then you know you really need to repot. So I'm going to take this one out, this aside, loosen up the root system a little bit in here. And I should be able to fit 2 in here. Let's see, this one. This one is too also very matted with roots, so I'm going to put that in there. And get some dirt. Okay, now we're going to put some dirt in here. Fill this up. Leave about an inch or so from the top, so when you water it, it won't overflow out the top sides. Okay, that one's done. Go on to the next one. And we're going to get 2 more. You can see the root system on that. That's way too matted. Loosen it up a little bit. And let's put this one in. This one is too. Got a lot of roots there. Getting a little messy here. Okay, let's put some dirt in this one. And we do have 8, not 9 plants here. Fill this up real good. Okay, that one's done. Now, I do have another one here, but this pot is fine. It's bigger than the other pots were. So this one's doing fine in here. So we're just going to do, let's see, 7 of these. Let's get another pot that's ready. Okay, let me get this one. Let's check the root system in here. Yeah, and it's dry. I've been having to water these way too much. So let's get that in there. And I think I'll leave this one by itself because it is kind of bigger than the other ones. Let's get some dirt. Oopsie doodle. I get a mess. Okay, get this one done. And let's see, we got this here. Okay, we got these last two here. Same thing with this. Roots are real tight in here. Loosen them up a little. Put that one in. And let's check this guy. Yeah, that one's pretty massive. That in. And it's a good time I could take off. If you have any bottom leaves that are kind of dying off, and just take them off. Okay. Some dirt in this one. You know, these should do a lot better in the bigger pot, so it'll have room for their roots to grow. Okay, now we can water them all. Let's get some water in there. Get the back one. And this one here. And that one. Okay, now I can find a place to put them. And if you have any questions or comments, just leave them below. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.